Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Jeep Compass or Jeep Renegade, guys, with 2.4 multi-air engine, even if you have a different engine, guys, and you have engine light on and any of the two codes, guys, I'm talking about code P0440 or code P0441, stay with us, guys, and we will explain, guys, most likely what causes these codes and how to fix that today. Now, as you can see, the engine is out of the car simply because we did an engine replacement. In the meantime, guys, we showed you how to fix pretty much anything on that engine. We took the whole engine apart. We showed you how to fix any little component, anything from little bitty thing to head gaskets, timing chains, guys, so everything was covered on that engine. In addition, we'll have more than 100 videos, guys, that will teach you how to diagnose your engine and how to fix engine codes. Why we do all that? This is because, guys, our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information to you. Now, let me show you what we have here, guys. This is the engine. If you need to buy any of the replacement parts or tools to fix your engine, we will try to share the links in the description of the video below. I want to show you the scanner that we use. You constantly, guys, ask me in the comment section below what scanner we like here at the shop and what scanner we will recommend. This is it, guys, right here. This is my everyday use scanner. It works on every American car, European car, you can see, and it works on any Asian vehicles, guys. My favorite things about the scanner, it's affordable, it can pay itself off in one-time use. Another thing, guys, it can access every system in your car, not just the engine computer. It can access every system, read codes and delete codes in the system, and you can see live data, which makes it, guys, okay, awesome for what it is. So now let me explain what we have here. I'll remove the well, we don't even need to remove the upper engine cover. I want to show you guys what can cause these codes. These codes, guys, okay, indicate that you have problem with the emission system, guys. On the back side of your engine, okay, and with the engine removed, I can show you all that. You have the purge control valve. This is known as the purge solenoid, purge valve or purge solenoid. As you can see, this is your gasoline line that comes from the fuel tank to the fuel rail. We have another big line that comes from, there is a special device by your fuel tank that actually captures, it gets the vapors from the fuel tank, the fuel vapors. It's a charcoal canister, guys, and it actually catches all these vapors. There is a special pressure switch there that activates the engine computer to send a signal to that valve when we have enough pressure in the canister to actually, all these vapors will be released here and they will be injected in the intake manifold. That way your vehicle, guys, is more efficient. Okay, you're not polluting the atmosphere and you're not creating smog, because releasing fuel in the atmosphere is not good, guys, and that's why they came with that device. It's a win-win situation. Your car is more efficient and you don't kill the atmosphere. So that's the purge valve. If you guys have a leak somewhere on the system, if that line is disconnected from here to the canister solenoid, and we'll show you guys where that one is, stay with us until the end, that can cause, guys, that problem. Another thing, make sure that this hose is connected to the intake manifold. Make sure you don't have a cracked hose. That's a common problem, guys. And there is one simple, okay, the most common problem is towards the end. We're going to talk about that most people never think about. But let me show you guys what the canister looks like by the fuel tank, and we're going to discuss how it can cause that problem as well. So this is, guys, what the canister looks like. The canister is that big device that's by the fuel tank, and it has two hoses. One is coming from the fuel tank inside and actually captures the vapors, guys, and the other hose is the one, it's the outlet that goes to the purge valve that we already showed you guys. And this is the device. You can see it has another solenoid inside of it, guys, that activates on and off. You can see where the wires are. So if you have a leak, cracked canister, guys, or a cracked hose or disconnected hose, you can get any of these codes as well. Or you can have a leaking fuel tank, guys. Fuel tank, okay, if it's cracked or something, that can cause it, but this is not very common with the new fuel tanks. They're hard to break. So if everything checks out, guys, I'll show you what you should start with number one, guys. Okay, and we'll show you, we have currently that BMW that we need to fix today here at the shop, but I want to show you guys, okay, the number one reason for any of these two codes. And number one reason, guys, is your fuel cap. You either didn't install your fuel cap, or the seal and the valve on your fuel cap is not working correctly. You have a valve here that's supposed to open and close if it reaches a certain amount of pressure, and you also guys have one seal, and if that seal is leaking, that can cause this code as well, which is super normal, guys. So always check your fuel cap to make sure it's performing correctly, then check for leaks, check the canister, guys, and check the purge valve. So bad purge valve can cause that thing as well. If you have a purge valve, okay, this purge valve is stuck open, okay, you will have a flow of gas all the time, or the canister valve, the one that's in the box, that can cause that problem as well. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.